So if you want to clean your wheels and get this brake dust off, I recommend this method I'm about to show you. I've got a dishcloth scrubber and I will use some white vinegar spray. I'll damp the cloth with the white vinegar spray, and then using some baking powder, I'll tip a little bit onto the cloth, not too much, just enough. Then pat it down with your finger so it doesn't fall off when you turn it over. Come over to the wheel, start scrubbing, and it comes off so easy. I don't know why I didn't try this sooner. You can get into all those little corners with this little cloth. Giving it a rinse now with some water. Have a little inspect. There's still a little bit there on the left, so I'm going to do a little bit more. A little scrubber dub. Another rinse. And my wheel is looking spick and span. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And check out my other content. I'll put a link below to the products. Thank you.